Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So, as expected yesterday, nothing really went on, and you can see we have flattened out on the oscillators, and the oscillators are extremely oversold at the moment, and then we are at a fairly strong level of support. And as I said yesterday, does look like the bottom of a range forming. Could be a double top, but that would only come into play below 37,237. So I'm not convinced either way of what's going on. I have a feeling that we're going to see some buyers come in. Let's just call it a sneaky suspicion. If I'm just looking at what's happening on the S&P 500, and at the moment there's no indication of anything, so let's not try and second guess it. If you look at the 3 hour, you can see yesterday's price action down, up, down, and now we're busy with another up. Nothing really on the oscillators. Strong trend to the downside right now on the 3 hour. There's no debate about that, but I think we missed that boat sort of through the week, because there was no real retest of breakouts for us to get in on it. So yesterday's price action, 3 attempts at 38,051. Fairly textbook stuff here. That's the top of the current range, that's the bottom of the range. So we are now 25 bars into that. Should be more than that because there's 24 hours in a day, but anyway, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, should be 28, 29 bars in. But anyway, the reason I'm counting the bars is anything more than 20 bars, you have a sort of a 50-50 chance of it breaking either up or down. So the shorter the range is, the higher the probabilities of continuation. The longer the range is in a scenario like this, the higher the probability of a coin toss starts to happen, and that's kind of where we are at the moment. So look at the 15-minute and you'll see just even more chaos in amongst the moving averages. No real direction, no real structure. So I'm definitely not looking for shorts, definitely not looking for longs. It is the end of the week, it's the end of the month, and this thing could squirt a little bit lower or it could squirt higher. There's no indication of that, and I'm reluctant to take shorts on any break of this range because of where the higher time frame oscillators sit. So that in my eye would be kind of just suicidal, because the chance of it having a pullback is a lot stronger than a chance of it having a continuation right now. So last thing here is if we just look at the monthly, you can see we have a big pin bar here. I'm not convinced on anything. Weekly, we know there's a double top in play, and then the daily, we have a very small bodied red bar, but look at my oscillators here on the daily. This to me is lining up to be a big range. There is another level a little bit lower down, 37,819. But I'm not convinced either way. The more you look at this 15-minute, the more I just want to close the charts and go on weekend. So that's kind of what we'll be doing. I'm definitely not going to get involved in this. We'll wait for Monday to see what happens. Anyway, that's my view for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Cheers for now.